Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable battery percentage on iPhone 11. So let's get started. With iOS 16, battery percentage was added as a feature, and when enabled, it showed a percentage amount right on the top of the battery icon in the status bar. It was added to all the iPhones with Face ID excluding iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 13 mini. So if you have iPhone 11 with iOS version 16.1, then there is no option for you to enable battery percentage display. But with iOS new update 16.1.1, you will now get an option to display battery percentage at the top right of the screen in the status bar. Just open Settings app, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update, and then make sure to update your iPhone 11 to the latest version iOS 16.1.1. Once software update is installed, open Settings app, scroll down and tap on Battery. And here you will find an option Battery Percentage with the toggle switch. Just enable this option, and as you can see, battery percentage is now visible inside battery icon at the top right side. So that is how you can enable battery percentage on iPhone 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.